I am student of BSc on Computer Science, Sujan Gurung, with student ID of 215900150, presenting a video presentation on mobile web application development. I have developed 7 different applications in this assignment, which are going to be discussed as follows. Today I'll explain the functionality of my CuteApp code. This app allows user to interact with animal icons to display dynamic description. First, we use here view binding method to link our layout file, making it easy to access UI components. In the onCreate method, I call set of click listeners to handle user interactions. First of all, when we click on the image, the check animal click method is triggered. Depending upon the clicked image, the app dynamically displays a description, like you have clicked on the cute dog or cute cat with corresponding color. This is done using display text method, which is over here, which updates the text and color programmatically. To enhance the user experience, I implemented hide initial text to make the description visible and show the clear text button. Clicking on the button, it clears the text and resets the user interface with the method like hide clear button. This app ensures a smooth and interactive experience by dynamically updating the UI and managing the visibility elements efficiently. Let me demonstrate the program here. I have already run the program. It shows a little big. When I clicked on the dog, it says you click on the cute dog with sky blue color. I can clear this. When I click on the cat, it says you clicked on the cute cat. And I have here group of cat, which also shows a darker red color. You have clicked on the cute group of cats. This is my travel application code. I'll explain the functionality of my travel application code. This app allows user to select travel mode and destination dynamically. First, I have set up UI with static data for travel options such as boat, train, or air option. The setup UI method, which is this, uh, listen to the selected radio button in the radio group with relevant option using an array adapter. The setup click listener methods, which is over here, handles button actions such as submit button. On clicking submit, the display selected travel mode and destination in the output text using fill output text. If no options are selected, a toast message reminds the user. Clicking clear resets the radio group drop-down and output text using helper function like clear radio checks. The fill for output text method updates output text with selected destination, ensuring the user get immediate feedback. Additionally, I logged the selected value for debugging processes. Overall, this course shows dynamic UI updates, event handling, and data binding in Android. Uh, if we select submit button without selecting any of the option, it will show the toast message like please select a travel mode and destination. If we select this, it do not show any value because it only displays value dynamically if we select this radio button like this airplanes, London or Iris. For train, we have Scottish train, Greenwich train. Okay, this is the overall working feature of my travel application. Thank you. Now let's move on to pizza ordering app. This app allows user to customize a pizza by selecting various ingredients dynamically. The app starts with a base pizza cost of $6. The setup UI method maps, which is over here. The setup UI method maps each ingredient to its cost and image. When a checkbox is selected, it triggers a listener to display corresponding ingredient image and update the total cost using the calculate cost method, which is over here. If unchecked, the cost is recalculated and the ingredient image is removed. The setup click listener method manages button action, which is over here. Clicking order shows total amount in a toast message, and clicking clear reset the UI by unchecking all ingredient, hiding image, and resetting the total cost to base amount. The app ensures a responsive experience by dynamically updating the UI based on user input. It demonstrates key concepts like event handling, dynamic UI update, and data binding. Now let's move on to the application itself. I have already run the program, and here is the user interface. It shows that base is $6 here. Now let's select ingredients like tomatoes. We can see the image of the tomatoes. We can see the updated price, which is $8. If we select corn, it says $9. If we select olives, $10, and respectively. Like if we clear order now, it clears and the amount is resetted to $6. Now let's order a pizza, mushroom, tomato, and salami. Now let's add some pepper too. Let's order. Your order is taken. Now you need to pay $14. Application, which is Catalogue app. Let me explain my Catalogue app, which allows user to browse through a collection of animal with details. I have used some of the animals like lion, elephant, panda, and penguins. The app start with list of animal having a title, description, and image. The setup UI method, which is over here, initialize the user interface by displaying first animal and adding clickable thumbnail for all animals. Clicking thumbnails update the main view to show the selected animals. The navigation buttons, previous and here the navigation button, which are previous and next, are managed by setup click listeners. These buttons navigate through the list, dynamically updating the title, description, and image using the update animal method, which we can see over here. The app also hides the button at the boundaries for a seamless experiences. This project showcases dynamic user interface update, event handling, and efficient navigation. Now let's move on to the program. I have already run the program. Here we can see on the startup it shows the lion. It shows lion with next and different catalog. We can click on these catalog and it will redirect to their respective description and image. We can select previous like this, next, next, and if we are here we can select lion, then penguin. This is the overall user experience of the app. Going to sign up activities. In the sign up activities, user register by providing details like name, password. The app validates the input, checks if password is matched, ensures the username if it is unique, using shared preferences. Successful registration save the user data and redirect to the login page. In the main activity, user login by entering their credentials. The app retrieves the password from shared preference to verify the username password combination. If valid, then the user is redirected to the dashboard activity. The dashboard activity welcomes the user and displays a success message. The project demonstrates basic skills for input validation, persistent storage, and activity navigation. I've already run the app. First of all, let's check with random data. I have not entered any data like Harry Brook ENZ123. It shows either invalid credential. So now we need to register. Let's write name Harry Brook, gender male, 2000, username is Brook Harry1, password Harry. Now if we write another password rather than Harry, like Brook, and we try to register, it says password do not match. Now we need to do Harry. Now if we register, it will redirect us to login page. Brook Harry1 JRRY, sorry, JRRY. Welcome Brook Harry. This is the overall working of this program. Now let me explain about my phone contact app, which displays a list of contacts and allows user to search and call them directly. The app starts by initializing a list of contacts with name and phone numbers. The phone contact adapter is used to bind, which is over here, which is data as to a recycler view, which displays the contact in the scrollable list. User can search for a contact using a search view. On query text sense method dynamically filters, which is over here, filters the contact list based on the user input, and the adapter updates the view to display the matching result. When a user clicks on a contact, the app triggers an action dial intent to open phone dialer with the selected number. I have already launched the application. Now these are the list of the contacts. I have not added more, but let's check about search query. There are two contacts starting with letter S. S here, there shows two different. If I go with SH, it shows Sheldon. If we go with SU, it shows Susan. Now if I want to call the user, now I need to click here. It opens the interface of the phone and we can call from here. The app demonstrates database integration with dynamic UI updates, with recycler view, and user interaction with third-party component like material date picker and glide for image. Now let's go into the program or application. Let's try to reserve this 1984 George World. Reserve now. It will open date picker page, and if we select from, okay, let's select Jan 5 as begin date, and for in date let's select Jan 6, and if we save this, your book is reserved from, and if we go to view reserved book, now we'll see two of the book, 1984 and the catcher of the eye. Now let's proceed. After we proceed to checkout, it will generate checkout summary as the catcher in the array and reserve date in 1994 and reserve date. Now if we confirm to checkout, checkout successful, thank you. Overall, this is the function of library book reservation app. Thank you.